watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to your dream forest retreat. This modern cottage blends stone and timber perfectly into the wild greenery. Just look at that inviting porch. Step inside to vaulted ceilings and a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. It's the ultimate spot for a cozy night in with a warm blanket. The kitchen is a chef's dream, mixing bright white cabinetry with rugged stone walls. Natural light makes every morning here feel like a vacation. Even the chores feel peaceful here. This laundry room features floral wallpaper and plenty of wicker storage to keep things organized and stylish. Soft sage walls and warm wood accents make this bedroom a sanctuary. Imagine waking up to that view of the trees every single day. Finally, soak away the day in this spa-like bathroom. The stone textures and walk-in shower bring that organic, earthy luxury right home.